This is the Wesco 4-way pallet truck. It can be used with standard 40 by 48 inch wood pallets, as well as 4-way single-face pallets that have cutouts in the stringers. The low-profile forks and 1.7 inch high steel load rollers allow for easy entrance to and exit from the pallet. The 4-way pallet truck features reinforced steel forks with adjustable connecting rods to ensure that the forks lift evenly, and a rubber-coated handle. There is a 3-year warranty on the pump. An internal overload bypass protects the pump from damage in the event that the load is heavier than the 4,000-pound lift capacity.